Looking for an easy, powerful way to make your car shine? This cordless car buffer polisher features two 4000 mAh batteries that keep it running for up to 2 hours, plus a sleek touch screen for quick adjustments. With 8 speeds, a wide polishing area and ergonomic design, it's perfect for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking to give your car and home surfaces a flawless shine? The Topway Car Polisher Set features a powerful all-copper motor, 6 adjustable speeds, and a quick-release pad system, making polishing and waxing easier than ever. Lightweight, durable, and packed with accessories, it's your go-to tool for professional results at home. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make your car shine or tackle DIY projects at home? The Einhell Power X-Change cordless car polisher and buffer is a versatile, lightweight and powerful tool that combines sanding and polishing in one. With a 180mm polishing disc, electronic speed control and quick attachment changes, it's perfect for achieving flawless finishes. Plus, it works cordless with compatible batteries. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Makita DPV300Z 18-volt lithium-ion LXT brushless sander and polisher, a lightweight, cordless powerhouse perfect for automotive projects. With variable speed up to 9,500 revolutions per minute and a durable brushless motor, it delivers smooth, professional results. Plus, its safety features and easy-to-use design make it a must-have tool. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Clark CBB 200 370-watt bench buffer and polisher, your new best friend for turning dull metals into a mirror-like shine. With a powerful 2850 RPM motor, a sturdy cast iron base to reduce vibration, and precision balanced shafts, it delivers smooth, professional results every time. Plus, with included polishing mops and easy-to-use safety features, it's perfect for quick, stunning finishes. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.